What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing the Stinger. Already started on that shit. Just need to put it on. I gotta take it off, then just put it on. Got all my mechanic tools. Fuck yeah. I started taking the bottom plastic covers. You can see I took off the screws already. You gotta take it off already. Just need those ones, and that's it. Then we mount it on. I'll show you later on how it's gonna look. Hopefully it gives it like a mean look, an aggressive kind of look. I wanna see it already. There it is, you guys. These ones are fucking heavy duty. I'm missing the fucking fog lights and all that good shit, and then the fucking winch. That's later. It's later. I don't have that much money right now to be spending on like crazy. At least right now. But that's it. There it is, there it is, there it is. Kinda liked it. Probably front grill. Make it like have that mean look. Maybe. We'll see. Probably gonna put up that light bar inside of it. It's a lot of shit, a lot of money that I don't even have, at least right now. Probably my mirrors, they're gonna be coming up around Wednesday, so I should be putting it back in place. I'm gonna try and go this freaking weekend. Fucking try and get a winch. Well, I'll probably check them out and see which one I like. That's it then. I'll be seeing you guys later on, showing you some new footage of some new shit that I might be getting later on. Let's take it out for a ride.